This platform here known as Bnbpick has been delivering like the Hebrew women, and I've made a couple of withdrawals from this platform absolutely free of charge without making any deposit. So usually what you do here is come here after every 1 hour, solve a captcha. I prefer icon captcha because it's simpler. You click on claim, so you receive an amount according to your level. I'm on stone, so basically I receive 75 satoshis of BNB until I move to the next level. That's what I'll be getting, right? Other ways to earn here include these surveys. If you're lucky, you find yourself in a place where you get surveys, because surveys are actually targeted due to demography and other conditions, right? So that's, by the way, if you want a full video I made on how this platform works, I'll be leaving a link to that in the description box of this video, so you can jump on it and check it out. So here's my balance, and without any further ado, let's click on the menu here. So let's click on affiliate. So I want to claim what I have here. I have it added to my balance before I withdraw. Now let's click on menu. This time around, withdraw. So I want to withdraw everything, right? So I'm withdrawing on BNB Smart Chain network. Looks like that's the only network. So there's going to be a fees of 10,000 satoshis of BNB. So let me go to my exchange and get a wallet address. And by the way, minimum withdrawal threshold is 0.002. So I'm on Git.io and I'll simply click on deposit here. On chain deposit. I'm depositing BNB. And the network is BNB Smart Chain, BSC. So always check the minimum deposit amount before you send tokens and they'll be lost, right? So I'll copy this. I'll paste the wallet address here, and I'm going to click on max because I want to withdraw everything. I'll solve a captcha, and then I'll click on withdraw. The withdrawal request is being processed. This right here is my withdrawal history. So it says the 0.04 that I just requested is equivalent to $38 at the current market price, right? Other withdrawals I've done on this platform include this $3, $7, $2, $4, $2, $12, $37, $31, and $2, right? Different amounts, different times, guys. Absolutely free of charge. I don't know why you're not using this platform. There is no specified time, right? But withdrawals are not instant. But so far I have received everything that I requested. You can see completed. So it didn't take quite long. My withdrawal status is now showing completed. So let's go over to my exchange. All right, so over here, and obviously my balance is not what it was. Let's click on notifications here. So this amount has been added. Tap on it, and here BNB deposit was credited, right? So this time around it actually came almost instant, right? So guys, what am I trying to say? Bnbpick is still paying. So if you haven't registered, I'll leave my invite link in the pinned comment, so you jump on it, register, and start earning. This place right here is where most of my earnings come from, right? So if you can have 1 or 2 of your friends join, guys, you are in, right? So the more tasks they complete, the more you earn. The more faucet rows they do, the more you earn. So there you have it, guys. Go jump on this platform, register, and start farming. They also have other platforms like Litecoin, SoulPick, and the rest of them that works almost the same. The only difference is you earn in different currencies, right? So check those ones out, and you might also earn a couple of bucks from them after every 1 hour. So thanks so much. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and enable the little notification bell icon to be the first to see my next video. Bye bye.